Hello, I'm King Tolentino. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will share to you how I remove people from my travel photos. Let's go! Alright, so in my screen, you can see a picture of us in Siem Reap, Cambodia. As you can see, heads of tourists are captured in frame. It is impossible to ask people to go out of frame, especially if the place is a tourist destination. But we can turn this photo from this to this. Take note, it is not limited to people but also things or anything you want to remove from the scene. In this photo, I wanted to remove the bag here from this to this. All you need to do is to capture several photos of the same spot. My recommendation, best to have a tripod. But you can do this handheld as long as there's minimal movement from the camera. Then, fix it in post. Okay, let's use this photo as sample. We will remove the people in the background. So I have two photos of the same spot, this one and this one. First, let's head over to Photoshop. Go to File, Scripts, load files into Stack. Click Browse, then select the photos you want to edit. For me, this one and this one. Click OK. Ensure to check this box. Attempt to automatically align source images. Click OK. So we have two layers here. Photoshop already aligned the images. So you can see there's a crop here. Since the program automatically aligned the images, all we need to do is to make the canvas smaller to hide the crop here, or make the images bigger. I prefer the first one. To do that, we need to go to Images, Canvas Size. I'm estimating to subtract 200 pixels both in width and in height. So this part is trial and error. Proceed. There you go. Now I'll put that one as the top layer. There. Now I want to hide these people here. To do that, let's proceed with the masking. Masking is non-destructive, so you don't have to worry about making mistakes. You can edit the mask layer as many times as you like. So click the top layer or the layer that you want to apply the mask and click this one. If the mask frame is white, it means it is displayed. If it's black, it means the area is masked. So we need to click the brush tool and make the paint black. Okay. Then I'll increase my brush size. Ensure to feather it a lot to click this frame, not the image but the mask. Then paint away. Adjust to your liking. So if we turn off the visibility of the bottom layer, this is what the top layer looks like. Let's enable the visibility of the bottom layer. Okay, done. Let's look at the final image. This is the before, after. Before, after. This will help you make an IG banger travel photos. If this tutorial helps you, or you learn something, or you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Peace.